Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bemi. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back and tuning into my channel. So I'm back with another hair video for you guys today, and today's wig is from Asteria Hair, and this is their 5x5 piano wig in the length 20 inches, 180 density. So when the wig came, I did go ahead to tone the hair because it had more of like a yellow undertone. So now I feel like it's got more of an ash brown going on, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna insert clips of me toning the hair so you guys can see what the hair looks like before and how it looks now, so you can compare, you know, both. And then yeah, I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. When it comes to the hair is really soft. Like, I keep running my fingers through the hair. It's extremely soft. Asteria Hair is known for having really soft hair and barely any shedding, so that I'll definitely give them. But yeah, I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below, so please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.
Smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up.
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like after toning the hair. So I literally just used some purple shampoo and I left it to sit in the hair for like a good 30 minutes, and then I washed it out. So this is what it looks like now. I feel like now it's more on the ashier side, so all that orange undertone is all gone. So you guys can see what it looks like now. There's no orangeness going on with this wig. I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pluck the hairline a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and start styling the hair.
Roll smooth with a beat. 30 hertz straight up.
Okay, so now I've got the wig on. I'm just going to go ahead to install the wig. I'm going to use my bed head spray.
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up.
Okay, so guys, so this is the finished look and this is what the wig looks like. I kind of wish my makeup was a bit more subtle just because obviously the wig is quite like, you know, this is a bold wig, so I kind of wish my makeup was more subtle, but this is a makeup from a different video. So yeah guys, but yeah, so this is what the wig looks like. It's a 5x5 piano wig. This was sent to me the length 20 inches and it's 180 density as well, so it's just the perfect density. It's not too full and it's not too thin as well. It's just perfect, honestly. So this is what the lace looks like. The lace is pretty good. I think this is definitely Swiss lace. It's not HD lace, it's Swiss lace. So when the wig came, it came as a body wave, but I obviously decided to tone the hair a bit more to give it more of like a ash brown look, which is what I've got going on right now. So like I said, this wig is from Asteria Hair and this is a 5x5 20-inch piano wig and it's 180 density, and as you guys can see, I did go ahead to cut some layers. I feel like this side isn't really dropping how I would like it to drop, but it's okay. We'll just pretend as if that side is not there, okay, and just stick to the side. This side is okay, but this side is not dropping how I would like it to drop. So, and when it comes to the hair as well, the hair's really soft. That's one thing with Asteria hair. The hair's always soft and there's barely any shedding as well. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the information that you guys need to know about this wig. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you'd like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.